Hello, my friends. If you're over 60 and trying to stay healthy, strong, and full of energy every day, then this video is just for you. Today, we're talking about something so simple, water, but it's something that many seniors are unknowingly doing wrong every single morning. And those little mistakes, they can affect your energy levels, digestion, blood pressure, even your medication. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 most dangerous mistakes seniors make when drinking water first thing in the morning, and more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to avoid them so you can feel better, move easier, and protect your heart and kidneys. Stick with me to the end, because these aren't just tips. This could literally change how you feel every single day. So before we dive in, hit that like button to support the channel, subscribe if you want weekly health tips made just for folks 60 and up, and comment below if you've ever felt bloated, dizzy, or tired after drinking water. You're not alone, and we're going to fix that today. All right, let's get started. 5 dangerous mistakes seniors make when drinking water in the morning, and how to avoid them. Now that we know water can be both a blessing and a problem, let's dive into the 5 biggest mistakes seniors make with morning hydration. Mistake number 1, drinking a full glass of cold water too fast. Let's be honest. When you first wake up, you're thirsty, right? So what do many people do? They gulp down a big cold glass of water all at once. It feels refreshing, but here's the problem. Why it's dangerous. Drinking cold water too fast can shock your system, especially for older adults who may have blood pressure issues or heart concerns. Cold water can cause your blood vessels to constrict, and if you drink it too fast, it can lead to dizziness, nausea, or even heart palpitations. Doctor's tip: start your morning with room temperature or slightly warm water. Sip it slowly. This gently wakes up your digestive system and gives your body time to adjust. Add a slice of lemon for a boost of vitamin C and flavor if you like. It's not a race, it's a ritual. Treat your first glass of water like a morning blessing. Mistake number 2, drinking water too close to medication time. Here's something I see a lot in my older patients. They take their meds first thing in the morning and chug water to get them down. Why it's dangerous? Some medications work best on an empty stomach. Others need food first. And some, like blood pressure meds or thyroid pills, can be affected if you drink too much water with them. Doctor's tip: know your medication timing. Some pills need just a sip of water. Others need a full glass, but only after eating. Keep a medication chart by your kitchen or on your fridge. If you're unsure, ask your pharmacist. They're your ally. Bonus tip: drinking water too close to medication time can even wash the pill away before it's absorbed properly, which means you're not getting the full benefit. Mistake number 3, not waiting a few minutes after waking up. You might be thinking, wait, doc, you're telling me to wait to drink water? Yes, in just a few minutes. When you first wake up, your body's blood pressure may be unstable, especially if you're over 65. Going from lying down to standing and drinking too fast can cause orthostatic hypotension, that lightheaded feeling, or even fainting. Doctor's tip: sit up slowly. Let your feet touch the floor. Take a few deep breaths, maybe stretch your arms or say a little prayer. Then, drink your water. Hydration is important, but your body needs a soft landing first. Mistake number 4, not measuring how much you drink. Some folks drink too little water in the morning. Others drink too much. Either way, that throws your day off balance. Why it matters. Drinking too little water in the morning means you start your day dehydrated. This can lead to constipation, sluggishness, and even brain fog. Drinking too much too fast can flush out electrolytes and overwork your kidneys. Especially dangerous if you're on diuretics or have kidney issues. Doctor's tip: aim for about 8 to 12 ounces in the morning. That's 1 normal glass. Not a whole pitcher, not a tiny sip. Just enough to rehydrate after sleep and prepare your stomach for breakfast or meds. You wouldn't fill your gas tank to overflowing, so don't flood your body either. Mistake number 5, ignoring the signs that water isn't helping. Some folks think water solves everything. Tired? Drink water. Headache? Water. Achy joints? More water. But here's the truth. Water is powerful, but it's not a miracle. If you drink water and still feel weak, bloated, dizzy, or just off, don't ignore that. That could be a sign of an underlying issue, like low sodium, kidney trouble, or heart problems. Doctor's tip: pay attention to how you feel after drinking water in the morning. If you feel better, great. If you feel worse, talk to your doctor. Hydration is a tool, not a cure-all. Your body is talking. Are you listening? How to build a healthy morning hydration routine. Here's a simple 5-minute morning routine I recommend to all my patients over 60. Wake up slowly, sit up, take a breath, say thanks for another day. Stretch or walk to the kitchen gently. Drink 8 to 12 ounces of room temperature water, maybe with lemon. Wait 10 to 15 minutes before eating or taking meds. Use that time to pray, read, or plan your day. It's not just water, it's intentional living. That's how we stay healthy and strong, together. So there you have it. The 5 dangerous mistakes seniors make with morning water and the easy ways to fix them. Don't rush it, don't overdo it, and always listen to your body. If this helped you, give this video a like. Leave a comment below. Tell me how you drink your morning water, and hit subscribe for more weekly videos made just for folks over 60 who want to live better, feel stronger, and stay independent. You deserve to feel good every morning. Let's keep going strong together. See you in the next one.